Have you ever seen an entire operating system that fits on a single floppy disk? Meet Kolibri OS, a lightning-fast tiny OS that can boot in seconds, run on ancient hardware, and still surprise you with what it can do. This operating system, you can download it from official KOLIBR-ios.org website. You can choose how you want to download it, like ISO image that is 94 megabytes in size. I choose floppy disk image, which is only 1.44 megabytes in size. And I am going to run it in VirtualBox. I've created a new virtual machine. It needs just 8 megabytes of RAM to run. And now I'm starting it up. And here we are. It's incredibly fast, boots in just a few seconds, and there's no installation required. Let's take a look around. This is menu bar with a lot of applications. Right here you can choose between English and Russian language, system monitor, and calendar. On the desktop you can find a system panel that have a configuration, monitoring, and testing applications. There is code editor, which comes with different languages. You can paint in this program. You can also customize the look and feel of Kolibri OS. And yes, there are games. Kolibri comes with a bunch of built-in games. The ISO version comes with way more games, improved performance, and better customization. Have you ever tried Kolibri OS? Or do you use another weird or tiny operating system? Let me know in the comments. If you want to download this operating system, all links will be in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content.